Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to resolve the issue where shared folders are not accessible in Windows 11. Before we begin, if you're new here, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First, let's verify if the shared folder is accessible on my Windows 11 machine. As you can see, the shared folder is currently not accessible. To fix this, type PowerShell in the search bar, right-click, and run it as administrator. I already have the required command ready. Simply copy and paste it into the PowerShell window. The command is available in the video description for your convenience. Once pasted, type Y and press Enter to proceed. Next, update the group policy by typing the command, pupdate. Wait for the group policy to update successfully. Once completed, let's verify the fix. Try accessing the shared folder again. As you can see, the shared folder is now opening without any issues. Let's confirm it again for clarity. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tutorials. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.